Hello everyone. Today we are making idli batter recipe, that is soft idli with wet grinder, and we'll come to know how easy it is to make soft idli. We are making the old age traditional recipe with a few tips to make soft and spongy idli. Though the recipe is having only 3 ingredients, it has to be perfectly executed to get the best results. This recipe is perfect for morning breakfast. Firstly, in a large bowl, soak 1 cup of urad dal for 12 hours. Also soak 2 cup idli rice for preferably the parboiled rice for, for 6 hours. After 1 hour of soaking of urad dal, drain off the water and transfer to the grinder. Grind for 45 minutes. It may take 45 minutes. Meanwhile, adding the water intermittently. Use urad-dal-soaked water for grinding as it helps in fermentation. Scrape the sides and grind until the batter turns soft. Transfer the batter to a large vessel and keep it aside. In the same grinder, add soaked rice and grind. Grind to a coarse paste. Please remember, grind to coarse paste, adding water as required. Transfer the rice batter to the same vessel we added the urad dal batter. Mix well, making sure everything is well combined. Mixing the batter with the hand is appreciable as it helps to aid fermentation. Cover and ferment in a warm place for 8 hours. The batter is well fermented when it has doubled in volume. Mix the batter gently without disturbing the air pockets and add 2 tablespoons of salt and mix gently. Grease the idli plate with oil and pour the batter. Here, no need to add baking soda as many of the people will do to make it fermented or to make the fluffy idli. Grease the idli plate with oil and pour the batter. Steam the idli for 10 minutes or until the toothpick inserted comes out clean. Finally, enjoy the soft idli with chutney or with sambar. South Indian breakfast recipes are incomplete without mentioning idli or dosa recipes. We all think we know how to prepare the batter for idli and dosa, but it is always good to know some basics and tips to make it even better. Here are the some tips. Grinding of rice and urad dal in a wet grinder plays an important role in fermentation. While you can also use the mixer grinder or a fancy blender to ground the rice and urad dal, but you may not get the same consistency. And you cannot make one batter for dosa and idli, and you can see the result. If you make a dosa, it become soft, but you cannot get it as crispy as masala dosa, because the dosa batter is having the ratio completely and the consistency. Like, here we are grinding a coarse batter, whereas in dosa it is finely soft. And finally, the fermentation has to be done within 8 to 12 hours. If it extends above, you may get a different smell. If you are living in a dry, cold place like me, you may have to use the oven, keeping the light switched on for warmness, or even you can cover the vessel with a warm cloth. Hope you like the recipe. Please do subscribe, share, and like the recipe if you like this. If you don't have a steam maker or a steamer, use the pressure cooker, keeping the whistle out of that while cooking so that it will act as a steamer. For oven steaming, place a grate over a pan of water and place the idli maker with the batter in it, and the rising steam will cook the idli. And thank you for your time. Happy cooking. Namaste.